Hello, everyone. I'm Agastya, and welcome back to Web3 Coffee. This week, I'm excited to talk to you guys about the intersection of AI and blockchain. We all know AI has become quite a hot topic this year, and it seems like the trend is continuing in the blockchain sphere as well. A lot of interesting projects and a very strong bullish sentiment over the last few months with the top projects. So let's get into it. Start with some of the basics. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that enables machines to make decisions based on data. Increasingly, these decisions are able to mimic human intelligence. Currently, most AI models are owned by some of the largest tech companies in the world. For example, Sam Altman's OpenAI, which is funded in large part with Microsoft. So, the basic premise or promise from the AI blockchain companies is that they'll allow us to reduce costs, transfer powers from companies to the masses, and eliminate intermediaries. One of the fastest growing projects in the AI and blockchain space is Tensor, which has a native token called Tau, Tao. So essentially, with Tensor, you have a decentralized protocol that allows for the use of several different machine learning models and kind of a marketplace for these models. This is quite different from ChatGPT, which is a one single specialized AI model, whereas with BitTensor, you have this decentralized network of several models. Another really interesting project at the intersection of AI and blockchain is the graph. The graph's native token is GRT. So, what does the graph do exactly? Well, it's aiming to do what Google had accomplished for the internet, but for blockchains. So, Google had collected and stored information across websites to make it easy for people to search the web. Similarly, the graph is collecting and storing data on blockchains like Ethereum and Avalanche so that it's easy for us to search through data on these blockchains. Two other projects I want to give a quick shout out to that are providing some interesting applications in this area of AI and blockchain are the render token and the theta network. The render token, as you can see with the name, essentially allows you access to their decentralized network of rendering power. This is super helpful for, I think, video makers and artists in general who have to spend a lot of time and GPU capacity to render their artwork. Using this network can be much more cost effective and sometimes even quicker. Similarly, with Theta Network, they have slightly a more lofty vision, which is essentially creating the leading blockchain decentralized cloud for media entertainment. But put simply, an average user like you and me can share their CPU and GPU access for AI and video workloads and earn the native currency of the Theta network. So pretty exciting applications, I would say, in this area. So as we look ahead, the roadmap for these AI-infused blockchain projects seems quite promising, lots of potential. I think that the decentralized elements of their design are really going to provide a lot of value, going to create a lot more efficient systems. So thanks for tuning in to this week's Web3 Coffee. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these projects we discussed and how you think AI is going to shape up the world of blockchain. Drop your comments below, share your insights, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, keep your mugs full, and I'll see you next week.